Welcome to Simplify Technology. In this tutorial we'll show you how to prevent all accounts from mentioning you on threads by Instagram. First, open the app and log in. Tap on your profile in the bottom menu. Go to the globe icon at the top left corner. Select Mentions. Choose the No One option to prevent mentions. Your selections is saved instantly. That's it, enjoy a more private experience on threads. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.